Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? In this video, we are going to implement the rows and columns in Flutter. So, as you guys know that almost everything in Flutter is a widget. So, why using the rows and columns? It's because to arrange our widgets in the horizontal and vertical manner, respectively. Uh, let's say I want to add 4 containers to the center of the screen in a horizontal manner. So, for that, what I will do is just remove this text and I will write the row, which both the rows and the columns requires a children parameter which takes a list of widgets. So write row and then children, which will take a list of widgets. So add 4 containers. As I've added the 4 containers, and when I hot reload, you can see the 4 containers has been added to the center. It's because of the center widget. Now what if I need to rearrange these containers to the center of the screen? I will use the main axis alignment of the row. Right, main axis alignment, and set the main axis alignment to center. And when you hot reload, you can see that the 4 containers have been arranged to the center. What if I need to add space around them? So removing center and add the space around property. Okay, and as you can see, the spaces have been created. There are a lot more. Let's say I want to add the space between them. As you can see, all spaces have been aligned equally to the containers. And what if I need to arrange these containers to the vertical? Just remove column and just remove the row and add column. Hot reload, and your containers have been arranged to the center widget. And what if removing spaces around the widgets, I will use the center property. Okay guys, so that's it from this video. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.